What's up, Trader's Edge? It's Mark Sebastian, your only option with your look at the week that was, and we'll talk a little bit about what's coming up. So we're going to look at the SPX and what happened. We're talking about the Triple Q, why the price action this week was potentially very bullish. We'll look at bonds and the VIX, and again, I'll warm you up about next week. So with that, let's dig in. So the SPX closed the week above 6,100, just off the all-time high. Really nice week. We closed last week at what, 59.90, 59.96. So we rallied about 100 points this week. Pretty nice run. Nice, not overly fast, couple of inside days, couple of big days, just about everything you could ask for in a nice rally. Now, a little different story in the Qs. The Qs did close up on the week, but not nearly as nicely as the S&P. Qs closed up, call it about 6 points, but that's, less than 1%, or a little over 1%, not nearly as big as the S&P. So S&P much stronger than the Qs this week. And why? Well, the diamonds really shine this week, the Dow. So what we've got is the Qs a little softer, the Dow stronger, and so we had kind of the other 492 stocks that have not performed having a strong week. That's why a name like RSP, the equal weight S&P, had a pretty strong week. What I love about this rally is that it happened with Apple not rallying and really NVIDIA not having a great week. We closed above 6,100 with NVIDIA barely up on the week and Apple sharply down on the week. So that is, to me, pretty darn bullish and shows that money is spreading itself. Now, you need to continue to watch bonds. They did recover back above the 21-day moving average. If bonds are going to hold here, the market is going to keep running higher. VIX closed below 15, 1485. First close below 15 in some time, dating back to the 26th. Now, I think that we're going to obviously coming in Monday will be above 15, and then on the 28th we have the Federal Reserve, Meta, Microsoft, Tesla. The 30th we have Apple, and we also have IBM earnings going on that date. That is going to give volatility a little bit of a boost, but look for vol to potentially collapse the back half of next week. It could be ugly. Don't be surprised if VIX is actually below 14 at the end of next week. A couple stocks on my radar. Obviously, we have earnings next week in Apple, earnings next week in Microsoft, which did have a strong week, and earnings in Meta, which is at a crazy all-time high, and earnings in Tesla. Those are four names that you need to watch, and one name that has earnings that I also want you to keep an eye on because of all the AI involved in it is IBM. So those are kind of the five big earnings that you want to be paying attention to for next week. All right, folks, there you have it. I hope you have an excellent weekend, and I'll be back with my look ahead and the five stocks that I think you want to trade next week. So with that, I'm Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like and subscribe. Have a good one.